morning, students. Let's start our eighth lesson, a short monsoon diary written by Ruskin Bond. So, in the introduction, it is given before you read. Do you know what a diary is? It is a record of personal experiences written day after day over a long period of time. You can also use a diary to note down things you plan to do immediately or in future. One of the most famous diaries published as a book is the Diary of Anne Frank. Here are a few extracts. Extract means parts, portion from Ruskin Bond's diary, in which he portrays the silent miracles of nature and life's little joys and regrets. Miracles means chamatkar, magicful things. Portrays means he describes. So in this diary, Ruskin Bond describes the small magical thing of nature and life's little joys and regrets. Regrets means sometimes there are strange things in the nature. Let's read. So first date is written June 24th. So this story is set in Mansuri in Uttarakhand. Narrator or author or the writer is the same, Ruskin Bond. He has written his diary. These are the parts of his diary. So June 24th, the first day of monsoon mist, and it's strange how all the birds fall silent as the mist comes climbing up the hills. So narrator is saying the first day of monsoon mist is there everywhere, and as soon as the mist comes up, climbs up the hills, all the birds they fall silent. Earlier they were singing. Perhaps that's why what makes the mist so melancholy. Narrator is saying this is the reason that mist is called melancholy or full of sadness. It makes the atmosphere full of sadness. Melancholy meaning is also given here. Very sad. The mist is called melancholy because it makes people feel melancholy. Not only does it conceal the hills, it blankets them in silence too. Mist is called melancholy or very sad. It makes the atmosphere full of sadness because conceals means hides the hill, and it covers them in silence too. There is silence everywhere. Only an hour ago, the trees were ringing with bird song. So an hour ago, there was chirping of birds on the trees. Birds were singing, but now there is silence everywhere, and now the forest is deathly still, as though it were midnight. But now in the forest there is calmness is there, silence is there, and it looks as if midnight time is there. Through the mist, Biju is calling to his sister. I can hear him running about on the hillside, but I cannot see him. So now author is saying that in the hills, Biju is milkman, one of milkman. In Uttarakhand, milkman is called Biju, and through the mist, Biju is calling to his sister. So Biju is calling to his sister through the mist. Narrator can hear his voice running on the hillside, but he cannot see him. Next page. Next date, June 25. Now, this was the description of June 24, and now the writer will give description of June 25. Here a picture is also given, and this picture is of cobra lily flower, a very strange name, cobra lily. We can see that here is a black color flower is there, just like a cobra snake is there. June 25, some genuine early monsoon rain. So on June 25, there is real early monsoon rain. It rains heavily, warm and humid, and note that cold high altitude stuff we have been having all year. The plant seems to know it too, and the first cobra lily rears its head from the ferns. As I walk up to the hills, to the bank and post office. So on 25th there is rainfall and there is weather is warm and humid, because you know students that after rain there is humidity, moisture is there, and just earlier hills are famous for their cold atmosphere, but now there is humidity or moisture, warmness is there. The plants are also habitual of that, and now on that day cobra lily is the name of the flower. It comes out and bloom from the ferns, and narrator saw that flower when he observed that flower when he was walking to the bank and post office. The mist affords a certain privacy. Affords means gives. Narrator says that when mist is there, a different type of privacy comes there. A schoolboy asked me to describe the hill station and valley in one sentence. So when narrator was going, a schoolboy meet him and he asks him to describe the hill station and valley in one sentence. And all I could say was a paradise that might have been. So narrator explains that the valley and the hill station of Mansoori is just like a paradise on the earth, a heaven on the earth. Now June 27. The rains have heralded the arrival of some seasonal visitors, a leopard and several thousand lychees. So with the rain heralded means announces or brought the news of arrival of some seasonal visitors. So there are some seasonal visitors just like leopard and some thousand lychees. Lychees come in the lychees and blood sucking insect. It sucks blood from the man or human beings or from the animals to which it stuck. Yesterday afternoon, the leopard lifted a dog from near the servants' quarter below the school. So, narrators described the incident of yesterday on 26th June. What happened that a leopard came, leopard tendua, it came from the forest and near the school, it from the servants' quarter, servants' house, it lifted a dog. In the evening, it attacked one of Biju's cows, but fled at the approach of Biju's mother. Dear students, narrator is saying that in the evening, leopard attacked one of Biju's cow, and when Biju mother came screaming, shouting, abusing words, curses at him, the leopard fled from there. Fled means run away. Flee, fled. The leopard ran away when Biju's mother came screaming, abusing words to him. As for the lychees, I shall soon get used to a little bloodletting every day. So, narrator also have to suffer from bloodletting due to lychees in the area. Other new arrivals are the scarlet minivets. The females are yellow, flitting silently among the leaves like brilliant jewels. No matter how leafy the trees, these brightly colored birds cannot conceal themselves, although by remaining absolutely silent. They sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. Along came a pair of drongos, unnecessarily aggressive, chasing the minivets away. So Along with other birds also came with the monsoon season, and those birds are scarlet minuet. Scarlet minuet meaning is given bright red color birds, just like we have cuckoo or quail here, and they are fleeting. Fleeting means fluttering their wings in the leaves. They are sitting on the trees and darting out, doing movement there, and they are looking just like brilliant jewels, no matter how leafy the tree. So, if the trees are leafy and these brightly colored birds, they cannot conceal themselves. Conceal means hide themselves, although by remaining absolutely silent. Although they are absolutely silent, they sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. But sometimes they invent or spend time unnoticed, and along came a pair of drongos. But now a pair of drongos also came, and it is unnecessarily aggressive. Aggressive means angry, and it chased the minuets away. Next page of first part of the story, next paragraph. A tree creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree, snapping up insects all the way. Now the rains are here. There is no dearth of food for the insectivorous birds. So in the last paragraph of first part, on 20 June, on 27th June, writer says that a tree creeper means those plants which takes sport of other plants, creep on other plants. So a tree creeper, just like amber bale, and just like money plant is there, just like creeper of pumpkin or watermelon. So a tree creeper, it is moving rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree, and it uh, fall down the insect which are coming on its way. Now there is rain in the hilly area in Uttarakhand and in Mansouri, so there is no dearth of food. Dearth means scarcity, lackness of food for the insectivorous birds. Insectivorous birds, those birds which eats insects. So with the rain, many insects, many small insect, earthworm, leeches, and other insects and other small birds, small insects, they came, and there is no scarcity of food for the insectivorous birds, those birds which eats insects. So this was the first part of the story. And students, comprehension check. First question: why is the author not able to see Biju? Its answer is there: because of the mist. And what are the two ways in which the hills appear to change when the mist comes up? First answer is birds become silent, and second is mist conceals the hills and its blanket them in silence too. Thank you, students.